Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live all the way up there?
Well, you're in luck because we're about to show you all that and more on today's episode. So Adam, today we are back at one of our favorite spots, and that's Grand Harbour condominiums on Barrie's beautiful waterfront.
Yeah, that's right, Jules. This feels like a second home to us because of how much work we do in these buildings. And when it comes to waterfront condo living in the city of Barrie, it truly doesn't get much better than Grand Harbour and its sister building, Waterview, right next to us as well. That's because of the location. We're directly across the street from Kempenfelt Bay, the Barrie City Marina, as well as Centennial Beach, and we're just a short walk into Barrie's downtown, where you're going to find all of the fantastic local shops and restaurants you could possibly ask for. When it comes to condo living, it does not get much better than this.
It certainly doesn't. The location is second to none, and we have a fabulous suite here today. It's over 1,600 square feet of living space, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, right on the front of the building with absolutely spectacular views. We can't wait to show you. Let's head inside and take a closer look.
Welcome inside Suite 811. Now, as we mentioned outside, Grand Harbour is one of Barrie's premier waterfront condo developments. And within the building, there are a limited number of units that have these spectacular unobstructed views directly up Kempenfelt Bay. And this one is one of them. It's located directly on the front of the building. This unit is called a Beachcomber, and it's 1,614 square feet. And it's the absolute perfect size for all of you downsizers that might be considering a move to condo living, but don't want to give up some of those important must-haves that you might have in your home currently. This unit features 9-foot ceilings, has space for a formal dining room and this large living room as well, a gas fireplace, and 2 terrific sized bedrooms. Let's go find Julie for some more.
One of my favorite features about this suite design has to be the separation between the bedrooms and the living and entertaining space. Oftentimes in condos, you'll find that the floor plan has the bedrooms on either side of the living space that doesn't allow for a lot of privacy, but that's not the case here, where you have a hallway that separates the two and really gives you that sense of privacy. That hallway ends in this primary suite where you'll find a walk-in closet and an oversized ensuite, so you'll not have to sacrifice on square footage and size. Adam, we just saw an absolutely fantastic unit, but let's face it, condo living is all about the amenities, and we have so many here. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what this building has?
Yeah, that's right, Jules. Condo living like this is really about the lifestyle that comes with it, and a big part of that is the amenities package. And again, this building is second to none in Barrie. You have this giant in-ground pool, as well as the spa and the sauna. You have a library, guest suites, you have a games room and a gym, as well as a beautiful 3rd floor garden terrace area. It truly does not get much better than this, and the beauty of it all is that you don't have to maintain it.
We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know condos. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.